Hey guys, in today's video I'd like to go over how I draw the torso. I usually like to split it up into 3 different chunks. I usually start with the pectorals and then the rib cage below. I like to divide it up nice and even. Then I go down towards the abs. One muscle group kind of leads into the other, which is a really nice easy way to remember it when you're just chunking it up into 3 different areas. You can kind of see how I divide up certain areas, like the shoulders, start adding in muscle groups and stuff like that. Don't be afraid to use reference, like I've said in a previous video, from wherever you want, other comic book artists, YouTube, Google, or anything like that. I've used reference a lot over the years, and after a while you just kind of start to remember how things go together based on the method that I've developed. That's how I remember how certain things go together. You don't remember it as a whole, you remember it as in steps, which is a much faster, much better way to learn. Just gonna go ahead here and throw in some more shading and make this superhero torso jump off the page a little bit more. I'm putting in a lot of detail and a lot of really accentuating the muscle groups, just to kind of show you how the muscles all lead into each other. You don't have to make your superhero or your character this muscular. It's not really necessary, but I'm just doing it just to show you guys how it all kind of fits together. So right away here I'll start drawing another torso, but in a different position where he's raising his arms up. You can kind of see there how I put section 1, 2, and 3. Just remember it as a 3-step process and use reference, and it'll slowly start coming together. If you get frustrated, just erase it. It's not permanent. You can always fix it. So you can kind of see here how when his arms are raised, the pecs kind of move up into a different direction there, the shoulders, the biceps, everything all just moves together as a group, as a team. You can kind of see how section 1, 2, and 3 pull on each other. Throw on some shading here, make this guy look really muscular, kind of like Superman. I threw in a little diamond there, you can kind of see that. Add some more muscles here, some shading. So as he raises his arms up, everything pulls together. And I'll kind of show you that here in a second with doing the 1, 2, 3 sections how I remembered it. It's kind of a process that I don't know, other artists might use that. I kind of developed that on my own. I like to really simplify the steps instead of overcomplicating things. When you overcomplicate, you get frustrated, you forget things. It's best just to keep things nice and easy, nice and simple. Like that old saying, keep it simple, stupid. Right there, when a section moves, it pulls on the other sections. So I'll show it here again. I put it down in section 1, 2, and 3. Just an easy way to remember. Awesome, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe if you like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.